Welcome Sunset Motors. My name is Frank Gerard. We're located in West Tennessee. Got a sharp 2019 Toyota Corolla hatchback SC. Beautiful color. It's called Blue Flame. It's a pearl blue. I think it's pretty sharp. It's got some nice LED tail lights. Dual exhaust, 16-inch aluminum wheels. These are a great car, reliable, fun to drive. It's got the LED automatic headlights. It's got an automatic high beam also. It is a one owner, clean Carfax, non-smoker. Got keyless remote entry. It's got the passive key. Turn the volume down. Got power windows, power locks, power mirrors. Got cloth seats, leather wrapped steering wheel, all-weather floor mats, tilt steering. It's only got 18,477 miles, very low miles. And this one's got a lot of technology for the money. This is pretty high-tech car. You've got dynamic adaptive cruise control, where it'll keep the certain distance between you and the people in front of you. It'll slow down, accelerate. Very cool. It's got lane departure, warning system, and steering assist. So this thing will actually steer you back in the middle of the lane. Very neat. Collision avoidance system. Got all your audio control. It's got Bluetooth for your phone and audio streaming. Automatic headlights. Got a nice large touch screen. It's 8-inch. Oh, I guess I left my phone over there. But I took some pictures. Got the Scout navigation system. It works off your phone. And you can download all these apps. Got your weather. Very cool. This will still work. It's just with the phone you get the map. I guess it's looking for my phone, and I don't have it, so here we go. Get your backup camera. It's got AM, FM. There's all your sources. Bluetooth, iHeart, XLive, USB, auxiliary. So just about anything you want, it's here. Got your automatic climate control. 6-speed automatic transmission, very easy to shift, very smooth. This is a neat feature too, is intelligent manual transmission button. This will actually rev match, so it'll do the throttle for you. Upshift or downshift, it'll do the gas to match the rev. Pretty cool. Electric parking brake, hold. Got the owner's manual, cup holders. Some stores. There's a USB charger and a 12-volt outlet here, and there's another one here for your connecting with the screen there with your phone. I got a price to sell. This is what Carfax thinks it should be worth, so I'm way below that. There's an emergency SOS button here. That must be like OnStar for Toyota. I'm not real familiar with that. Got push start. The back seat lays down forward. You got an armrest too. It's your rear defroster, wiper. Got a cargo mat back here. Got a spare. That's nice. A lot of cars these days don't come with a spare, but this one does. 2-liter 4-cylinder in here. Plenty of power, fuel efficient. 37 miles per gallon on the highway and like 28, I believe, in the city. So, and it's a Toyota, so you know it's gonna last. This one's still got the remaining of factory warranty, which is 3-year 36 bumper to bumper and 560 on the engine transmission. This will make someone a great first car going back and forth to school, or if you need a gas saver and still have all the bells and whistle. To see if this Corolla is still for sale, go to my website, sunsetmotors.com. If it's on the website, it's for sale. If not, you're too late and it's gone. I do have very competitive financing available with low interest rate and good terms. Credit applications on the website. Worldwide shipping is also available. To get a shipping quote, if you have any other question, you can call or text anytime, 731-686-8800. Thank you for watching and come and see us.